Hello, welcome back to the channel, y'all. We are here with some more Bobbi Boss drip. Yes, honey, this is Henna, and I have her in the color 1B/30. Something different, something new. Let's see what we're working with. So this is her right out of the pack. She is a beautiful kind of like body wave unit. Very pretty. It's very soft. Inside of the cap, we got two combs at both sides. We also have a comb in the back. There is also the adjustable straps. Yes, here is our parting area. Looks really good. May need a little bit of powder and plucking, but besides that, it looks great. Inside of the cap is very breathable. Yes, let's see her on. She is so pretty. She feels good, nice and tight. Let's get her adjusted. She's very pretty, very good everyday type wig. Very beautiful. And again, there is our parting area. Very pretty. Loving this. So here is our ear to ear. She is very good ear to ear. I really love it when they taper it right at the ear and it stops right where it should. I love that. I wish they do that more with more of their wigs. Very pretty. So here is the back. She is very full, very flowy. You see that color blend in the back. Very beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous. So right now I'm going to go in with my tint spray and just put it on that parting space and the part where the lace is going to show. I'm just going to spray it right there at those parts. And then we're going to go from there. Yes. Excuse my ring light blocking some of that. But that's how it looks. Hi, my sweets. Welcome back to my channel today. Yes, if you are new here, welcome. Think about subscribing at the link below. Go ahead and turn on the notification bells when you subscribe so you know when I upload another video. For the people who just subscribed within the last week, welcome to the Sweets family. Thank you so much for subscribing. I hope you stick around for a while. For my sweets that's been rocking with me from the beginning, I appreciate you guys so much. Now let's get into this video. Ow! So today, like I said, another Bobbi Boss unit. So this one is Henna, and I know I'm pronouncing that right. Henna. I don't think it's Henna, but Henna. So it's MLF487 Henna, and I have her in the color FS1B30. Yes, pretty. This is another one. I am getting ready because I'm going to be on the camera a lot at work. So I'm trying to get ready and get my nice, beautiful wigs that I can wear for work. But also I can kind of sex it up and wear it up since stuff is open, y'all. What? I can go out and actually do some stuff. Now, I ain't going to have my ass out there like I was pre-COVID, okay? But I'm about to get the hell up out of this house and go do something, okay? Let's get into the specs of these wigs, y'all, so I can tell y'all my pros and cons, and then we can get to the end. Let's get to it. So, of course, she is synthetic. It says ready to wear. It says good ear to ear. She was perfect ear to ear. I didn't have to taper that around my ear. She kind of stopped right there at the ear. I so love it when they do the wigs like that. Can y'all keep doing all y'all wigs like that? I love it, love it, love it. And then it says 4.5 D lace parting area. They're talking about this area up in here. And I did add a little bit of powder to that, although you seen me tint it with the spray. I did add just a little bit of powder. It says easy fit adjustable straps. Yes, the strap, they have the adjustable straps in there. And it says heat safe, but it doesn't say how much. Yeah, it doesn't. So I would say put it on the lowest heat if you're going to go through and kind of like tame this part up here. Put it on the lowest heat so that you don't change the texture of the hair. The texture on this to me is kind of like a light yaki. It's beautiful, it's soft, it's lightweight, It's very flowy, y'all. Okay, I'm loving it. And you see, I got me a different color. I have worn 1B30 in the past, but I don't get it a lot because my real hair is the color of a number 30 and I hate it. So I like getting black, but this color looks beautiful on me. So sometimes I have to go back to my roots, honey, and just put it on. But I think it looks awesome. I don't have any cons for this unit. Everything is like a pro. The ear tabs, great. The lace was a little hard and it's not really a con for me, but I like the way it blended in with my skin. It blended in perfectly. Even though I went in with the tint spray just to make sure it blended in beautifully with my beautiful brown skin, okay? Loving that. I love the way they did the part. There is no pre-plucking required. It's put it on and go. Cut the lace off, put you a little spray on and go, honey. That's what I'm looking for in 2021, okay? I don't want to be doing all that extra stuff. Nice breathable cap. It fits tight on my head. Oh, I didn't in the beginning, I didn't do my little stretch test. I would say it's big head friendly because I have this one, the adjustable straps, really tight, but it feels so good on my head. It's just lightweight and flowy. I mean, what else can I tell y'all but go get you one, okay? I done already went back on here and bought me 2 more, okay? Because I get, man, when you come on here and do these reviews, y'all know them wigs be selling out and they be gone, okay? And it's bye-bye wig. You better try and hope they come out with somebody else with something similar, but deuces. And then I got this one off of Divatress. I love me some Divatress. They ship so freaking fast. So go on Divatress. I will leave all the links down below. They do have other colors. What I'll do is do a side card over here so you can see it on the website. So as you'll see over here, we're on Divatress, and here is Miss Henna. Now the model, that's the color that I just brought. I love that. It has a little hint of gray in it, so I hope it looks pretty, but it looks really sexy. I was like, ooh. Now I don't know about that color, honey. I don't know what color that is. Oh, it tells you it's a 1B4613. Yeah, I don't know about that. But anywho, they have a lot of different colors for you to choose from. So, and you got your natural colors up there. They do look like they have a couple out of stock. But besides that, y'all go on here and get you one. $43.99, honey. Yes, go get you one. All right, y'all, so I just came on here for some more quick drip. Y'all let me know how y'all liking these reviews, how y'all liking these videos. Leave me some likes and some thumbs up. Share this with your cousin, your mama, your uncle, your best friend, girl. Let them know what we out here doing with these wigs, honey, okay? And until next time, my sweets, thank you, and I appreciate you guys so much.